He did not come from a background of fame, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a natural mix of confidence, charisma, and undeniable screen presence, Seçkin Özdemir didn't simply step into Turkish entertainment. He built his own path, transforming his early career in radio and media into one of the most adaptable acting journeys of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 25, 1981, in Istanbul, Turkey, Seçkin Özdemir's journey began far from the polished world of television fame. He studied economics at Kocaeli University, but his passion led him toward broadcasting and music. Beginning as a radio DJ, he developed a strong on-air personality, vocal control, and the ability to connect with audiences through tone and storytelling. That early media experience shaped his confidence and public presence long before acting became his main focus. His transition into acting marked a major turning point. After modeling and television hosting, he secured roles that gradually introduced him to drama audiences. Wider recognition came with his appearance in Matizm Musial, where he portrayed Sait Saad Mehmed, bringing emotional nuance to a historical figure within a globally successful production. Rather than limiting himself to historical roles, Seçkin consciously expanded his range. He delivered emotionally driven performances in Al Yazmalım and later explored darker, more intense storytelling in Raycon, Ağlamaysın. In Kan Kiralık, he further demonstrated his ability to balance strength with vulnerability. Each project reflected steady growth and a willingness to explore different emotional layers. By 2026, Seçkin Özdemir is regarded as a dependable and versatile lead actor. Directors value his professionalism, audiences connect with his composed authenticity, and critics acknowledge his ability to move between genres while maintaining credibility. His career choices reveal careful planning and a clear focus on longevity. Off-screen, his lifestyle blends creativity with structure. With roots in music and broadcasting, he continues to value artistic expression beyond acting. He maintains a balanced routine, prioritizing physical fitness and mental focus while keeping his public appearances selective and purposeful. His fashion sense mirrors his screen presence, refined yet confident. Whether attending premieres or cultural events, he gravitates toward tailored, classic looks that reflect understated sophistication rather than excess. While aspects of his personal life have occasionally attracted public curiosity, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently redirects attention toward his work and artistic development. Within the industry, he is often described as composed, thoughtful, and deeply engaged in understanding the motivations behind his characters. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work across television, endorsements, and long-term brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, he has built industry respect and international visibility through disciplined decisions and sustained effort. What many viewers appreciate is his creative depth. Coming from a background in radio and media, he understands performance not only visually but vocally and emotionally. This multidimensional awareness quietly strengthens his roles and sets him apart from fleeting trends. Seçkin Özdemir's journey is defined by adaptation rather than repetition. From radio host to actor, from historical drama to modern intensity, his rise reflects focus, resilience, and intentional growth. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern Turkish versatility, composed, evolving, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet something about her was always quietly commanding. With a calm intensity, refined elegance, and a screen presence rooted in emotional control rather than excess, Aybüke Pusat didn't rush into Turkish entertainment. She built her place with intention, transforming opportunity into a career defined by discipline and steady growth. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, Make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 25, 1995, in Ankara, Turkey, Aybüke Pusat's journey began far from the fast-paced world of television stardom. Her early path was shaped by education, poise, and self-development. In 2014, she gained national attention after being crowned Miss Turkey, a milestone that introduced her to the public eye but did not define her limits. Rather than relying solely on that recognition, she chose to seriously study acting, laying a strong foundation before stepping fully into the industry. Her transition into acting marked a deliberate turning point. Early roles allowed her to understand camera language and emotional pacing, but it was her appearance in the historical epic Darius, Ertugrul as Hafsa Hatun that placed her in front of a massive audience. The role demanded restraint, subtlety, and strength, qualities that became central to her acting identity. Aybüke's career expanded further with modern dramas that tested her emotional range. Her performance as Bahar Kutlu in Saz revealed her ability to balance vulnerability with resilience in intense, character-driven storytelling. Later, she stepped into a lighter, contemporary tone with her Yurtsen, showing ease in romantic and urban narratives while maintaining authenticity. Rather than remaining within a single genre, Aybüke consciously diversified her choices. Projects such as Haler v. Hitler and her role as Neslihan Erdemsoy in Teşkilat reflected maturity and control, reinforcing her reputation as an actress who prioritizes substance over repetition. Each role marked progression, not reinvention for shock value, but evolution through depth. By 2026, Aybüke Pusat is regarded as a composed and dependable lead actress. Directors value her professionalism, audiences appreciate her sincerity, and critics recognize her ability to convey emotion through nuance rather than exaggeration. Her career reflects patience, balance, and a clear understanding of longevity in a competitive industry. Off-screen, her lifestyle mirrors the same restraint seen in her work. She maintains a low profile, focusing on health, mental clarity, and personal balance. Her presence feels intentional rather than constant, allowing her work to remain at the center of her public identity. Her fashion sense aligns with her personality, elegant, minimal, and confident. Aybüke is known for clean silhouettes and refined choices, moving effortlessly between red carpet sophistication and understated everyday style, always maintaining a sense of quiet authority. While public curiosity around her personal life exists, she remains selective about what she shares. She consistently redirects attention toward her craft, growth, and professional commitments. Within the industry, she is often described as focused, respectful, and deeply invested in understanding her characters. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects years of consistent work across television and brand collaborations. More than financial figures, she has built credibility through stability, discipline, and carefully chosen roles that strengthen her long-term position. What many viewers find compelling is her depth beyond visibility. Aybüke values self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and thoughtful storytelling, qualities that quietly shape her performances and set her apart in an era driven by speed and spectacle. Aybüke Pusat's journey is defined by control rather than noise. From beauty queen to serious actress, from historical drama to contemporary narratives, her rise reflects patience, intention, and quiet strength. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of composed, modern Turkish stardom, refined, grounded, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.